Let's do another comparison of the lowest cost Drive Medical pedaler, the Sunny Health and Fitness under the desk pedaler, and the Cubii. Now, each of these are going to have pros and cons. Each of these are going to have a function in anyone's rehabilitation program. I'm going to take you through the benefits and the drawbacks to each device now. All right, so let's go through some of the pros and cons from each of the three devices. Here you can see we have the Cubii, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness under desk pedaler, and we have the inexpensive economy version Drive Medical pedal bike. The main thing with the pedal bike is it's obviously low cost. You can pick this up very inexpensively. It's extremely lightweight, doesn't even weigh 10 pounds. It's designed well enough for a typical rehab program. It's all metal. It's got this little knob for resistance. The pedals come with these straps. Usually I just have the straps hanging down the bottom and the foot on top. The benefits to this is almost anybody can use it for mobility, for range of motion, for general use. It's never gonna be the same kind of fitness as you would get from a commercial grade recumbent bike, but it's great for somebody who just had knee surgery and is just looking to move their joints. The drawback to this is the pedal is very small. I would say anybody over 5'7" probably can't use this. It's really designed for a smaller person with small feet. Also, the clearance from the floor to the pedal, it's more, as you can see, it's higher than the Sunny, but it's still not big enough for, say, anything larger than a size 9 shoe. If you have bigger than a size 9 men's shoe, your heel is going to hit the floor. Now we get to the Sunny. The Sunny is heavy duty. This is almost commercial grade. It's got inherent resistance just naturally within the pedals. There's resistance going forward and backward. It's very stable. If I try to push it, this guy, I can slide him very easily. The Sunny, I can't even get it to move. Very heavy duty, very stable. But again, tiny pedals, not a lot of clearance from the floor to the pedal, which means that your client, your family member, they're just not gonna get a lot of range of motion. And if they have something larger than a men's 9 size shoe, they're probably gonna catch their heel on the floor. That's where the Cubii comes in. Cubii has this huge foot plate. The whole foot can sit on the foot plate. There's not a lot of range of motion. It's a relatively tiny circle. It's more of an ankle exercise than it is a knee range of motion or hip range of motion. Also, you're not gonna get the same kind of workout as if you go with a commercial elliptical. But again, it's great for rehab. It's great for post-surgical care. It's heavy duty. It will not move once you put it down on the ground. It's got some friction rubber pads underneath. It's very stable. It's not gonna flip over if somebody puts, one foot on and then the other foot. This guy, if somebody puts a foot on one side, it's pretty stable, but as soon as you start pushing, it's gonna glide around, even on a carpet, definitely on a laminate floor. So the three devices, most expensive, middle cost, least expensive. If you're looking at something for long-term use, I would go with the Cubii. If you're looking for kind of, comfort, ease of use, smaller person, I would go with the Sunny. And then of course, if you're just looking for a 3 to 6 week rehab program and then you want to get rid of it, I would go with the less expensive metal pedaler.